Hi, my name is Dr. Junyoung and I am a molecular biologist.
Hi, my name is Sir Junyoung Choi and I am a evolutionary scientist. Today in this video, we will show you the evolution of newly discovered plant called JYJ Plant.
Sir Junyoung Choi and I are from the HYP Research Center, and for the past 24 years, we have been studying the evolution of the JYJ plant. The years that we have made very specific observations and measurements are 1991, 1999, 2007, and 2015.
Now, we will show you the data and the video clips from 1991.
Okay, so that was the video clips for 1991.
As you can see in the video, JYJ plants have a lot of genetic variations in flower color.
In addition to having genetic variation in flower colors, the JYJ plant also has other genetic variations. In the urban areas, we see that the plant has a specific genetic variations in height. In the wooded area, it's genetic variations in the leaf shape, and in the grasslands, there is a genetic variation on the type of chemical released by the leaf.
We also have found out that JYJ plants have high rate of reproduction, like dandelions.
Alright, that was all the data and observations and conclusions that we made in 1991. Then now we'll show you the data from 1999. Okay, so that was a 1999 video, and although you guys might not have been able to see, there are some phenotypic frequency changes that are occurring.
In the urban area, there are more tall plants than before.
In the wooded area, there are a lot more plants with red flowers than before.
In the grassland, there are more plants that release chemicals.
We have found out that there are various selective environmental pressures causing these changes on the JYJ plant. Sir Junyoung Choi.
In the urban area, there are a lot of tall buildings that block the plants from the sun. So the plants have to get taller in order to get closer to the sun to do the photosynthesis more frequently.
In the wooded area, we have found out that there is a specific species of birds that prefer to eat red flowers of the JYJ plant. And when they eat the JYJ plant's flowers, they are able to spread the seeds out more frequently, which causes the greater number of red flowers in the JYJ plant. They don't prefer the white flowers, so the white flower frequency is starting to go down.
In the grassland, there are a lot of pests that feed on the JYJ plants, so the JYJ plants have to be released a chemical to defend themselves from the pests. Therefore, those that release the chemical are more likely to survive and reproduce than those don't.
Okay, now we will show you the video clips from 2007. So that was the clips from 2007. And then we have found out that there are new selective pressures acting upon these JYJ plants.
In the urban area, the plant seems still growing up, but due to the pollution and human action, the population size of it is decreasing.
In the wooded area, due to, again, human involvement such as hunting, the species of birds that were feeding on the red JYJ plant are decreasing in numbers. So we then observed that deer are starting to eat the white flowers of the JYJ plant, and therefore the white flowers are able to survive and reproduce more likely than the red flowers. In the grasslands, we have found out that there is a pesticide being sprayed that kills off the previous pests that fed on the non-chemical releasing JYJ plant. And then because of this insecticide, a new pest species have been introduced, and those are actually attracted to the chemical releasing JYJ plants. So now we have found out that the phenotype frequency of those that release the chemicals are going down, and then the JYJ plants that do not release the chemicals are going up. Again, this is due to human interactions with the environment. Alright, so now we will show you the video clips of the JYJ plants and how they are actually today. Alright, so that was the video clips for today in 2015, and as you can see, there are some significant changes to the JYJ plant species in the three various locations. So Junyoung, Choi?
In the urban area, due to the pollution and the human action, the JYJ plant species are completely gone from the urban area.
As you can see in the wooded area, the white-flowered, spiky-leaved JYJ plant are flourishing due to the change in the animal preference of the flower. In the grassland area, we have concluded that the phenotypic frequency of the plants that do not release the chemical are higher than those plants that do release the chemical. As you can see, human interaction has a lot to do with the evolution of a species, and sadly, human actions can sometimes make species go extinct.
So please be aware that your action can actually impact the environment and other creatures.
And now we would like to thank you all for watching this short little documentary on the evolution of the JYJ plant species. I'll see you guys later.
Gracias de nada. Adios, hombre! Boom!